This is John. John recently visited 2 different restaurants for the first time. He enjoyed the food and the ambiance at both. But when it was time to use the restroom, he was faced with 2 very different settings. In the first restroom, he was overpowered by pungent odors the moment he opened the door. Not to mention the unsightly puddles everywhere he stepped. Needless to say, John was hesitant to try the restroom at the second restaurant. But, to his surprise, he was treated to a rather pleasant atmosphere. Thanks to WizKid's complete restroom care products. He discovered the Splash Hog drastically reduces splashback and releases a deodorizing fragrance, preventing foul bathroom odors before they become a problem. Then he noticed the WizKid Antimicrobial Mat, which keeps bathroom floors puddled and odor-free by collecting falling liquids and neutralizing them. The WizKid and the Splash Hog gave him a downright pleasant restroom experience. Now ask John which restaurant he's most likely to return to. To see for yourself how the WizKid and Splash Hog are your solution to complete restroom care, call or visit us online for more information.